Those are just windows. More windows. Kyle's truck. You can almost drive it in here. You know, it would fit in here if you could get it through the door. It would fit without touching the sides.
I guarantee it would.
Oh, did I mention it had a sunroof? Skylight. It's huge.
I mean, I could take my Explorer up there, but that gets 17 miles to the gallon.
Yeah. I don't know, we'll have to talk to Dan and see what he thinks. Man, that thing's huge. It's not the biggest one out there, but that's big.